Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Vayona Vlogs once again, and आज तपाईहरुले यहाँ माथि होर्डिङ देखिरहनु भएको छ है. Back then again today I am in this beautiful place Darjeeling and we are having the Gundri Fest for the second time. यो भन्दा अगाडि चाहिँ 2020 मा भएको थियो अनि आज end of the month or the end of the year है डिसेम्बर मा फेरि पनि यो चौरस्तामा हाम्रो गुन्द्री बजार भइरहेको छ. and अब चाहिँ यसपालि अझै more updated, more beautiful, more fun हैन, more music is added there. अनि हामीले होर्डिङ पनि all the way from Siliguri देखिको देखेको थियो है, उता त हामीले देखेन. But since I was in Siliguri I was seeing all the hoarding, so I've come all the way from Siliguri just to my own hometown Darjeeling and just to see peoples out here, the Gundri Bazaar out here. So yeah, we'll have fun. So this is the lane. यो चाहिँ हाम्रो लेन बनाएको छ very beautifully हैन, यसले गर्दा चाहिँ एकदमै it's looking very nice. So now we'll enter inside and we're gonna see that what we are gonna see this year in the Gundri Bazaar. And let me tell you once again that this Gundri Bazaar has been done by the Vikrant Foundation and the Decibel. Yes, let me repeat again, they've been sponsored by the Vikrant Foundation and the Decibel. So yeah, now I'm entering. So as I enter, here you can see there is a photo booth out here. You can take your pictures out here. I'm gonna take my pictures later on. Yes, and there is also a car. So we're gonna know what is this about later on. So yeah, let's head to this Gundri Bazaar. The start, you can see in my right there is a beautiful caricature going on. Let me tell you, it's written there also, it's written disclaimer, it's caricature, not a portrait. So yeah, you can make your portrait out here. So sir, like where are you from?
We are from Kolkata.
You're from Kolkata. So how are you feeling today?
It's amazing. Like we are here for 2 days and it's really amazing, very much well organized, and this ambience, we're really enjoying it.
Okay, so in 2 degree, how is it? I see that it's about caricature. So can you give us a little bit description of this caricature?
Yeah, it's
Although it does not need any description yet, but still.
yeah, it's just an exaggeration of your expressions actually.
Do you have a store in Calcutta for this?
Yeah, we have not a physical store, but for now we are running like a social media store kind of thing on Instagram.
Please tell what do you have in your social media?
It's named Carry the Caricature. Carry the Caricature. We also carve in wood. We also make wooden miniatures, like handmade wooden miniatures, which are caricatures. Like all are customized.
So brother, how do you feel about your sketch?
The way they have specified the teach, it tells them all about the talent.
Yeah.
I personally like this work. Thank you so much.
Okay.
And I'm grateful for this. Thank you.
Okay, that last year pani hamro Rimbik Fresh was here, so this time also Rimbik Fresh is here. So hello da, Ambo, looking awesome da.
Thank you very much.
So da, how are you feeling in Gundri Bazaar?
I'm feeling good and tired also because it's been last 3 days of hard work, right?
हजुर.
Banding evening summer.
So दाले अस्ति घुम फेस्टमा पनि राख्नु भएको थियो है. So आज कस्तो लागिरहेको छ?
एकदम राम्रो लाग्छ because यो त हामीले लास्ट इयर पनि गरेको थियौँ हैन, अन्त this is a very good platform for us to showcase our product, introduce and acquire more clients. And it's been exciting. राम्रो लाग्दैछ.
तपाईहरुको स्टोरमा त we get everything हो. What is the most special thing and what is the most एउटा स्पेशल कुरा भन्दिनुस्, एउटा चाहिँ the most selling thing क्या?
दुईटा कुरा भन्छु ल.
हजुर, most special र most
स्पेशल
selling.
चाहिँ किनकि सबै if you see what we see around me,
Yeah.
this belongs to lots of farmers of our Darjeeling, right?
हजुर.
This all things belongs to some families who is farming back home, right?
Okay.
That is very special about Rimbik Fresh. We are aggregator of farmers' product as well as local product. And besides that, we have sausage, everything, but few special things like in Darjeeling, we say Darjeeling have nothing. We have honey like this, which is so rare. It's transparent honey, right? We have Bhenago ghee, and also this is a product called Somar. Somar is fermented thing. It's typically Sherpa, Tibetan, Tamang food. And we are the only one in the world who's maybe selling commercially.
Oh my goodness. So that's a really great thing, right? सो दामी रहेछ त्यो है क्यान यु लाइक टेल अबाउट त्यो हनीको प्राइस चाहिँ कति छ होला त
यो हनीको प्राइस चाहिँ 800 रुपिस हो यतिको हो बट बिकज इट्स सो रेयर एन्ड अल्सो वाट वी आर अल्सो डुइङ इज वी आर जसले पनि फार्मिङ गर्दैछ अहिले अब हाम्रो गाउँ बस्तीमा उहाँहरूलाई चाहिँ वी ट्राई टु पे मोर होइन सो द्याट दे आर इन्करेज एन्ड मोटिभेटेड एन्ड सो द्याट कन्टिन्यू एन्ड दे ग्रो सिमिलरली एन्ड इफ वी पे अ गुड एमाउन्ट टु देम देस भेरी लेस अब त्यो मिक्स गर्ने यस्तो हुने डुप्लिकेट हुने उयो नै छैन सम्भावना छैन किनकि हामीले पैसा राम्रो दिन सक्छौँ गर्ने पोसिबिलिटी छैन त्यही भएर चाहिँ बजारमा अलिकति एक्स्ट्रा पे गरेर चाहिँ यु गेट अथेन्टिक चिज है हामीले अब यसरी कन्फिडेन्टली आफ्नो ब्रान्ड हालेर बेच्नु सक्ने त्यो चाहिँ अब हामीले कोसिस गर्दैछौँ
So why the name is Rimbik Fresh?
Because Rimbik is a very popular. Rimbikको घिउ आलु सागसब्जी सबै फेमस हो. I belong to Rimbik. I am from Rimbik and we sell fresh product.
So that's why it's Rimbik Fresh.
When you buy from Rimbik Fresh, you indirectly supporting our farmers, our villages and our people who are into farming so that we help those farmers and we encourage them to do more farming and so that we also encourage the upcoming generation to stay back in our place so that they don't have to go out. है हाम्रै जग्गामा पनि बहुत कुछ हुनसक्छ र हाम्रो जग्गामा पनि केही नभएको होइन है बहुत कुछ छ तर अब बाहिर जाने सपोर्ट गर्नु पर्यो है हाम्रो फार्मर्सले सपोर्ट गरेर किन्यो भने हामीले उगाउँछौँ उगायो भने उनीहरूले देख्छ अपर्च्युनिटी
So it's a really nice thing. I just came to know today that they are supporting the local farmers. म चाहिँ सोच्थेँ कि दादाहरूले आफै उब्जाउँछ भनेर तर they bring all the way from Rimbik and many other places है उहाँहरूले फार्मर्सहरूलाई सपोर्ट गरिरहनु भएको छ so don't forget to purchase from Rimbik Fresh and also I'll put down in description Rimbik Freshको website so don't forget to ping. Okay guys, you please explain a little bit about this thing.
Okay, so as we are trying to collect all the plastic wastes of Darjeeling and we are trying to create a plastic art out of it at Sinchel. So for that we need some funds.
Guys join them because this is for a good के भन्नु है एउटा राम्रो पर्पस छ यसको दिस थिङ इज यो चाहिँ किन फन्ड उठाएको भन्दाखेरि चाहिँ दे आर यो चाहिँ जिरो वेस्ट प्रोजेक्टको लागि चाहिँ गरिएको रहेछ अनि त्यसको लागि चाहिँ हामीले फन्ड रेज गर्दैछौँ माथिनिर चाहिँ प्लास्टिकको चाहिँ पार्क बनिँदैछ है
प्लास्टिकको पार्क सँगसँगै अब आर्ट इन्स्टलेसन्सहरू अनि यसमा चाहिँ हाम्रो लोकल आर्टिस्टहरूलाई पनि अलिकति एउटा अपर्च्युनिटी जस्तै हो है सो लोकल आर्टिस्टहरू पनि जतिले हेरिरहनु भएको छ तपाईँहरू पनि आउनु सक्नुहुन्छ हामीसँग कोलाबोरेट गर्न सक्नुहुन्छ है
Okay, thank you so much. They are coming up with such beautiful thing. So thank you so much. अनि सबैले उहाँहरूलाई सपोर्ट गरिदिनुहोस् होला है Okay.
Okay, so whatever we have, these are the souvenirs from Darjeeling and these all are designed by the localists, so nothing is from outside and these are done by the specially abled people, so we are trying to support them and that's it. And these are handmade products and that's it. The designs are and the yellow boxes because yellow is the color of happiness, so it's the box of happiness, so we are trying to spread happiness.
So moving ahead, there are some food stores like the Burger Cartel. You can see here. Okay. Next is the meat cravers.
Actually, पिकल्सहरूमा गर्छ अन्त ससेजहरू सबै हाम्रो होम बेस्ड हो त्यसमा चाहिँ हाम्रो चिकन ससेजेसमा 3टा फ्लेभर हुन्छ मसला प्लेन र स्मोक अन्त चाइनिज ससेज छ अन्त पिकल्सहरू भेराइटी छ प्रनको पाउनुहुन्छ तपाईँले सुकुटी माछाको पाउनुहुन्छ सुकुटीको पनि भेराइटिज पाउनुहुन्छ क्रस्ट भयो यता इक्जाम्पल यता यो छ सेसमे सिडसित छ यसमा अलिकति ग्रेभीसित हल्का मसला भएको छ त्यस्तोहरू छ अन्त अहिले चाहिँ हाम्रो फुड प्रडक्ट्सहरू छ अहिले खाने गरेर
Okay, thank you so much, brother. जाडोमा पिरो store है So yes, hello Di, hi.
Actually, these are the pickles from here only. So what we are doing is, my mom loves cooking, so we encouraged her to make these pickles and promote home pickles to other stores as well. One of my friend, she makes these products, and you can also check us on Instagram and created. Yeah, you can check there, and we also have an online store coming up for the pickles as well.
So I've met my friend है all the way मसँग 10 सम्म पढेको सिद्धान्त देवान मेरो साथी दगु हामीले मायाले बोलाउनु so Siddhant has a store okay it's pre-loved goods 2020 so he'll explain it
So we started this pre-loved during the lockdown as a thrift store. We were selling used stuffs, but eventually we started selling brand new stuffs. So please come check it out. You can also follow us on Instagram. This is our handle.
Yeah.
That's
Okay.
it.
Thank you so much. So like,
Give me a hug.
yeah,
She's my schoolmate.
yeah. Let's click a picture together.
Yeah.
Okay, hi, this is Icha from The Needle Maid. Actually, we are a store wherein we work like a boutique. We have over 200 to 250 fabric options, both from India as well as from Tibet. And we also source fabrics from Bhutan. And you can come up to us with any request for customization. We also make covers for musical instruments. We make covers for laptops. We have dog accessories like clothes and bandanas. Then we have merch for every kind of stuff, like anything in fabric you imagine, any product, we make it for you. So yeah, and we're totally zero waste, and we're zero plastic brand.
So you can Gmail them, okay? You can mail them and ask them anything, whatever you want, okay? So yeah. Okay, so हामी अर्को स्टोरमा आइसकेको छौँ. So दादा पनि आइसक्नु भएको छ. So let me introduce you to the दानफुक स्वदेशी उद्योग घर. ल दादा भनिदिनुहोस् न तपाईँको घरमा चाहिँ के छ त?
दानपुक स्वदेशी उद्योग घर. यसमा हामी ट्रेडिसनल ब्याग्स अनि यो भेडाको उनको याठा भन्छ, भेडाको उनको ब्यागहरू पाउँछ. यो आफ्नै म्यानुफ्याक्चरिङ छ हाम्रो सिलिगुडीमा. यो ब्यागहरू चाहिँ भेडाको उनको हो. अनि यस्तो ब्याग मसिनो कोइन पर्सदेखि मेरोमा प्रडक्टको प्राइसमा चाहिँ यो ठुलो कोटको सेटको बताइदिनु पाउँछ प्राइस.
हजुर हजुर.
7,800 पर्छ यो ब्याग्स विथ ब्याग विथ द. त्यो माथिको चाहिँ हाम्रो 21 इयर्स ओल्ड हो. त्यो पनि याठाको उतापट्टि 6,200 को कोट हो. यो चाहिँ म पनि यो त 6,200 हो.
6,200
यो यसमा फर छ, विदाउट फर पनि हामी बनाउँछौँ. 5,600 800 पर्छ.
ओके.
यो 900 पर्छ यसको.
900 प्राइस.
हजुर. स्कुल ब्याग हो यो. म मेरो फ्याक्ट्रीको भएको कारण म यसलाई 1,000 मा दिइहाल्छु.
ठिक छ. सो दादा अब तपाईँको यो स्टोर चाहिँ कति भयो?
4 इयर्स रनिङ हो हाम्रो. यो चाहिँ गुन्द्री बजारमा सायद गुन्द्री यो साल छैन.
ओके ओके.
गुन्द्री देखोस् भनेर लिएर आएको छु. तपाईँहरूलाई चाहिन्छ भने
बनाएको रहेछ. घर यो चाहिँ कहाँबाट ल्याउनु भएको दादा?
यो कालिम्पोङ बिद्याङ भन्ने बस्ती छ, त्यहाँ मैले धान यो पराल किन्नुको लागि चाहिँ आई स्पेन्ड जुलाईमा नै पैसा तिरेको. अन्त लास्ट यो जनवरीमै मैले बनाएर ल्याएको.
ओके. सो कसैलाई गुन्द्री बजारमा गुन्द्री किन्नु छ भने चाहिँ दादाको स्टोरमा आउनुहोस् होला. अनि यो चाहिँ गुन्द्री मैले पनि पहिलोचोटि देख्दैछु यो गुन्द्री है. इट लुक्स रियली नाइस. योमा चाहिँ सुत्नु है दादा, खानु, भाइटिकाहरू लाउनु है. कति रिलिजियस पनि रहेछ.
आफ्नै घरमा मेरो गाउँमा बसाएर गुन्द्री बुनाएको. गुन्द्री बुन्ने हाम्रो कालिम्पोङमा पनि छैन रहेछ है. अनि मैले नेपाल खोटाङ भन्नेबाट मान्छे लिएर गरेको कारणले गर्दा इट्स कस्ट लिटल बी हाई. 1,700 त मैले बनाउनै पर्यो. मैले 2000 मा यो सानो दिँदैछु, अर्को 2,500 मा दिँदैछु.
XO लास्ट इयर पनि थियो, यो इयर पनि आयो है. So Di, how are you feeling this year? What's the difference between last year and this year?
पहिला चाहिँ उस थियो, अब टुरिस्टहरू पुरा थियो. योपालि चाहिँ अलिकति कम छ है. सेल्स पनि हजुर ठिकैको छ. नट सो गुड, नट सो ब्याड, इट्स ओके टाइप.
सो यो वर्ष त अझै धेरै प्रडक्टसँग आउनु भएको रहेछ है. सो वाट डु यु हेभ इन योर स्टोर?
यो चाहिँ पहिलाकै छ हो यो मग्सहरू चाहिँ होइन. अन्त योपालि चाहिँ हामीले यो सिप्पर कस्टमाइज सिप्पर छ, अर्ग्यानिक लिप बाम बनाएको छ. अन्त हामीले कस्टमाइज हुडी पनि गरेको छ.
ओके. दार्जिलिङ ल्याएको है. सो वाउ दी, कङ्ग्रेचुलेसन. यु अपग्रेडेड अ लट एन्ड फिल रियली नाइस. लास्ट इयर पनि हुनुहुन्थ्यो, यो वर्ष पनि अझै है. डोन्ट फर्गेट टु come to the XO store. Auntie, smile. Looking nice. So I just met my Shivamda out there. So how are you, Shivamda? How are you feeling?
I'm feeling good.
You're feeling good?
Yeah. Like, comment, share, subscribe to Vayona Vlogs.
Thank you. Thank you, Shivamda. So hi guys, welcome back again. I changed my jacket also, it is so damn cold. So we've come to the Exotis, so we'll come to them and we'll ask what their store serves us in Gundri Bazaar. So hello sir.
Hi, I'm Richa. I'm representing Exotis.
So we have brought about all the blended teas, the flavor teas out here, blended with different herbs, flowers, fruits and all. We also have matcha, especially got it from Japan only for this event. And the other teas are, everything is blended out here with berries and herbs and flowers. The most important thing is that we are supporting women empowerment. The entire team at the back end, it's in the exhorters are female, aging from 26 to 45, the blenders, the pluckers, everyone. So yeah, the entire concept is just to support them.
So you guys are based in Darjeeling?
We are based in Siliguri. So please add on the pickle section as well.
Yeah, there is a pickle section as well. So यो pickle मा चाहिँ नेवारी अचार रहेछ है. The brand name is नेवारी अचार. Okay, the brand name itself is okay.
You can look into the banner as well here.
Okay, so we also have the facility of GPay, so there is no worries. You can purchase as much as you want, right? Okay, so do come to Exhaust Teas, okay, in Siliguri as well as in Darjeeling Gundri Fest. Thank you. Yeah, sure.
Yeah, hi, this is K. Chris. We are basically based from Siliguri, Salbari. So we are all, the products are all big items. We are mainly focused on the design, just like we have one example of the Christmas cake over there.
That's really beautiful.
Yeah, thank you very much. Right now it's being a Christmas season, so we have like Christmas cakes out here. Apart from that, the Christmas cookies is here, red brownies is here.
Little bit description about your store.
Our store's name is Winter Bleak. Yeah, and it's a thrift store. So we are giving these clothes a second chance to shine. And yeah, that's it.
Is this a thrift store? Okay, that's why you're giving a second chance. That was what I was wondering. Okay, so Darjeeling has come up with, not only in Darjeeling, but most of the hills places like Kaohsiung, Darjeeling, they've come up with a local thrift store. So do support them as well. Stop human trafficking को चाहिँ के छ होला यहाँ आज?
We are from Margenjo, Darjeeling है र हाम्रो चाहिँ वी किचन भन्ने प्रोजेक्ट छ जहाँ चाहिँ हामीले मार्जिनलाइज वुमनहरूलाई चाहिँ प्लेटफर्म दिएको छु अनि उहाँहरूले यो प्रडक्ट बनाउनु भएको है यो प्रडक्टमा चाहिँ छ हाम्रो होममेड पोटेटो चिप्स है न्युट्रेलाको अचार प्रनको अचार गुन्द्रुकको अचार है अनि एकदमै हामीले हेल्थलाई ध्यान राखेर इको फ्रेन्डली प्रडक्टहरू छ
Okay, that's really nice है हेल्थलाई ध्यान राखेर. So all the best to the We Kitchen as well as the Stop Human Trafficking Igniting Smiles है. हुन्छ ma'am, thank you. So next up we have the other store that is Rukora. So we see this beautiful kurtas. Wow, it's so nice. So nice. Ma'am, hi ma'am. So beautiful. How much is this for? $12.99. $12.99. Wow, it's nice. Really nice. I'll come back again. So please describe about your store a little bit.
We are Rokura. We are a wholesale brand. So basically, you're going to find winter wears to summer. You can approach me for businesses. Anyone who's interested. Furthermore, yeah.
That's really nice. Do you have a card, ma'am? Yes, I'll put that in the description. Is there any problem in my YouTube? Okay, so I have the card. So yeah, you can contact them for this beautiful kurta. Authentic, eh? Boj. Ekdamai Nepali word ho. So could you please describe about your store a little bit?
So this is actually Bhoj is something that is very kind of intrinsic to our community, the Newari community. And this was something that my mother started. She was teaching in Loreto and she retired 2 years earlier. And then I think she decided that retirement wasn't exciting enough. So she decided to kind of start this whole thing. It started with the chicken pickle, which is her flagship product. And then after that, after that, she's kind of moved on to other snacks which are kind of typical to our community. And it's just been so encouraging to come here and see the support that the locals have given, that tourists have given. So if you want chicken pickles, please kind of DM us.
Feeling is pretty cold and there is a crochet store out here. So let me talk to the beautiful, pretty description about your store.
Hello. हाम्रो चाहिँ के गोवा क्रुसेज हो अनि हामीले चाहिँ 2020 मा स्टार्ट गरेको सो फर्स्ट गुन्द्री बजार सँगसँगै नै अलमोस्ट सँगै स्टार्ट गरेको अनि हामीले चाहिँ क्रुसेड प्रडक्ट्स सेल गर्छौँ अन्त यो चाहिँ हाम्रो ब्ल्याङ्केट्स हो थ्रो ब्ल्याङ्केट्स चाहिँ अनि अरू सबै क्रुसेड नै हो सबै नै निटेड चाहिँ होइन इट्स अल क्रुसेड
सो गाइज दिस इयर 2021 को गुन्द्री बजार होइन डिसेम्बरमा चाहिँ एकदमै मजा आयो देयर आर सो मेनी स्टोर्स लाइक यु क्यान सी बिहाइन्ड मी इटिङहरूको खानुदेखि लिएर होइन तपाईँको थ्रिफ्ट स्टोरदेखि लिएर पिकल स्टोर देयर आर सो मेनी स्टोर द्याट आई कुडन्ट इभन कभर सम few stores, so I'm extremely sorry if I couldn't cover. तर I'd come तर तपाईँको स्टोर एकदमै बिजी हुनाले गर्दाखेरि चाहिँ I couldn't like cover. But anyways, this year Gundri Bazaar was one of the most exciting and also really nice. So don't forget to support them because they are all local entrepreneurs who are trying to start a new business. And also don't forget to like, share and okay, so I have Pratim vlog out here. Vayona vlog. Okay, so Pratim, how are you feeling Aju? Good. Feeling good? एकदम बवाल मजा आइरहेको छ. So कहिले स्टार्ट गर्नु vlog? मैले भयो 2 महिना जस्तो भयो नै स्टार्टिङ भर्खर हुँदैछ. फुल अझै 1k 2k million हुनुमा उहाँलाई हेल्प गर्नु होला. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Pratim vlogs, okay? भ्लगलाई पनि हैन एकदम माया गर्दिनु. Okay, and love to Gundri Bazaar भन्दै होला. Love to Gundri Bazaar. हाम्रो बहिनीको सपोर्टमा रहेछ द भोइस सपोर्टमा चाहिँ भोइसले 100 रुपैयाँ दिनुभयो. सो थ्यांक यू दिसिका. So guys, I hope that you all enjoyed this vlog and
looks so beautiful, guys.
full of lights, fun, music, color and lots of shopping. So the Gundri Bazaar 2020 was a hit as well as 2021 is going a hit in December. So happy new year in advance to you all. I'll be coming up with much content in future, and don't forget to shop in Gundri Bazaar because all these are our local entrepreneurs and they are all trying to open up the new business. So let's support each other. That's how we all run. So guys, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. For now, we are having a program in the behind, so we just gonna go there and just gonna check. For now, I'm gonna stop it out here regarding the shops, but we'll go and now enjoy the program, okay? So yeah, keep watching, eh?